Discover Preqin for Excel, a plugin that enables you to harness the power of Preqin data directly in your spreadsheets. It saves you precious time and resources by eliminating the need to navigate between Excel and Preqin Pro. Through a simple 3-step installation, you can easily access the latest Preqin data in Excel to enhance your target lists, reporting dashboards, and financial models. Eliminate time-consuming, error-prone manual data updates. Plus, there's no technical development required. Use the plugin's data loader to access your Preqin Pro Saved Searches and custom benchmarks and sync your business development spreadsheets with your Preqin Pro target lists for the latest details of key contacts and their preferred method of communication. Or leverage the pre-built and fully customizable templates to streamline your Excel analysis. Or use the plugin's formula builder to easily enhance your financial models and reports with specific Preqin data points. All this directly from your most important Excel spreadsheets. Get in touch with your account manager today to access the Preqin for Excel plugin and enhance your Excel spreadsheets with the latest Preqin data.